Well, we made it to Thursday. It's Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor, and it is the day before Independence Day for my American subscribers and friends and family. So thank you for watching, and to, of course, everybody else and the fellow Canadians, thank you for being here. My name is Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. I'm on $1 million mission to fund my registered disability savings plan. I have low vision, and I'm trying to make sure that I have enough money to look after things when I'm 65 and older. So that's what my goal is. I'm 45 now, so I got a ways to get there. And I'm sharing my journey to help other people learn from my mistakes. So you don't have to go through what I've gone through to get here. Today, I didn't do anything, didn't make any trades. I try not to trade every day, in fact. And that's because I consider myself more of an investor than a trader. So, I do buy options, which are more speculative, but I buy long-term anticipatory equities. So they're in the future, they're in the money or close to in the money. So they're not as risky as just buying way out of the money calls. Anyways, I didn't make any trades today, didn't do anything, and despite that, and despite it being a very short trading day for the Americans, everything closed up at 1 p.m. today. I ended the day up at $120,300, and that's 1.4% higher than I started the day with. So that's okay, and that's more money than I would have got had I just been in an index fund that focused on the S&P 500. So I got to be happy about that. And it's been a good day overall. So no complaints. Sun is shining. It's a great day to be on the patio and do something else other than trade. So that's what I intend to do with the rest of my day. And hope you had a good one. And to shout out to What Is Up, broskies. It's been interesting talking to you and conversing over the comments. I've learned some strategies from you, and thanks for your comments. And to anybody else who'd like to converse, I'm more than happy to. I read every comment and respond to as long as it's polite. I take the time to respond to everybody who takes the time to leave a message for me. And so thank you for watching. Tomorrow's another day. The American markets are closed for Independence Day. Happy 4th of July. And, hope it's a good one with friends and family for the long weekend. And here in Canada, everything's open as business as usual. I expect trading volumes to be a little lighter because it is summer and people kind of take a break. But it should be a good one. So hope everybody had a good day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.